Hi Queen, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Be happy and God bless. Yun lang. Bye-bye.
Hi Queen, happy 18th birthday. Lagi ka mag-iingat. Wish you all the best. Good health. Ayan. Yun lang. Ito lang mariregalo ko sa'yo. Itong kanta ito. Special girl like you, from the simple guy who's so in love with you. I mean not much to show, no diamonds to glow, no limousines to take you where you go. But if you ever find yourself out of all the games you play, and the world seems so unfair, you can count on me to stay. If you have time, please lend an ear to this ordinary song. An ordinary song, a special girl like you, from a simple guy so in love with you. I mean not that much lips to make you dance my way, but those away. This just seems so absurd. But deep inside is you. You give life to what I do. All those years you see me through, till now I'm waiting here for you. If you have time, please lend an ear to this ordinary song. It's an ordinary song to a special girl like you, from the simple guy who's so in love with you.
Happy birthday, Queen! Bye-bye.
Napaibig ako.
Ayan, kanta. Ayan, kanta. Hindi na. Hi, Queen!
Hello. Happy birthday. Hindi
Happy-
sabay tayo.
Ulit. Hindi,
Hindi, okay
na
na
lang.
yan. Kakat mo na lang.
Kakat ka
Hindi, huwag ka na pumasok. Diretso
Hindi,
ka na
pag
po.
entrance, sabay.
Hindi, diretso ka na po.
Ulit. Nagbilang nga. Akala bilang. Okay.
Happy
Hi,
birthday.
Queen! Hi, muna!
Happy birthday, diretso.
Ulit, tignan,
Happy
pakinggan
birthday,
mo.
diretso kasi last na yun.
Isama natin.
Di ba?
Ay, ulit tayo.
Ah, sige, sige. Happy
Hi,
birthday,
Queen.
Queen.
Nga
Happy
ulit.
birthday ka. Una kasi last na yun.
Ah, sige,
Last
sige.
na yun. Last na part, huli na eh.
Yan.
Ulit na ito eh.
Pantasigo.
Happy birthday, Queen.
Bye-bye.
Nga